Do this as soon as possible if you want to go popular on Instagram or YouTube. The niche I'm about to show you is not yet competitive, so act quickly before it becomes more saturated. I'll reveal a secret that the big YouTubers are hiding from you at the end of this video. The dark psychology niche is what I'm about to show you. Let me explain an example of a channel. This channel has almost 498,000 subscribers, despite having only 57 short clips. It's also monetized. You can see how valuable this niche is now. I'll walk you through the step-by-step guide to making videos like this with AI. Allow me show you a sample video.
Deceptive or manipulative communicators frequently employ tactics from dark psychology to sway their audience into taking specific actions, be it purchasing a product, endorsing a political candidate, or supporting a particular cause. This form of persuasion, characterized by its dark nature, typically exploits emotional appeals and relies on logical fallacies rather than sound reasoning to build its argument.
First, we need a name for this channel. Let's ask ChatGPT. Give me 10 name ideas for a dark psychology YouTube channel. Like you can see, we have some fantastic name suggestions. Choose any name you want for your channel. Now we need a logo, and I'm going to use Leonardo AI for this. As you can see, there are many images. Let's choose this one and generate utilizing this model. All that remains is to choose a suitable size from the side menu and the number of generations. Then simply type this prompt and press the Create button. You can easily create a logo for your channel. You can generate numerous types of logo ideas by adjusting the prompts and features. Make sure you choose a fascinating image. Let's go to Canva and create a banner. Go to Create Design and select YouTube Banner. There are numerous templates available on this side menu. We can choose an appropriate one and modify it to fit our needs. I'll go with this one. These components are unnecessary. Let's also modify the title to Dark Psychology. I'll add a new dark background image. Go to the Elements menu and search for any image you like. I think this would be enough. Let's download it. The following step is to create the videos. We'll need to write a script. First, we need to use Google to find articles regarding dark psychology. Once you find that, copy the part you want from that article like this. Simply ask ChatGPT to rewrite this paragraph to avoid copyright problems. ChatGPT will rewrite it in a matter of seconds. The next stage is to record voiceovers. As expected, we will use 11 labs for this. After that, you can choose a suitable AI voice from this list. I would suggest speaking in a deeper tone. When you're finished selecting voices, please copy and paste the script we created with ChatGPT and click Generate. Now we must choose relevant photographs for our video. I'll use Leonardo AI for that once more. Select an appropriate model and follow the same prompt as before. Check if these photos relate to the dark psychology script. Therefore, we require images which can portray manipulation and dark things. After you generate 6 to 8 images, download the images that you like the most. Now I'm going to use CapCut to edit these videos. Import all the voiceovers and the images. After that, select the suitable size for short videos, which is a 9:16 ratio. To begin, drag the voiceovers and place these images and adjust their size to fit the video. You can arrange the photographs in this manner. More images will improve the quality of your content. We should now create some interesting transitions. Select appropriate transitions from the top menu by going to Transition. After that, we'll add some video effects. Try these effects by selecting Effects from the top menu. Simply experiment with these to make your video editing look better. Using various video effects will give the spectator a different vibe. CapCut offers a feature that can generate captions automatically. Select Auto Captions from the text menu, then click Generate. Afterward, you can increase the text size and modify the fonts. I will make the text size bigger and change its fonts as well. Then, from this side menu, go to Animations and select a simple animation. If you don't select all of the captions before adding the animations, you'll have to go over each text layer one by one. After that, we need to add some background music to this video. Go to pixabay.com and download suitable background music and your video is done. CapCut enables you to export this video. Make sure to upload at least 3 videos to YouTube each day. One of the most important aspects of YouTube's success is consistency. Let me reveal the secret of increasing views on YouTube. It's all about the keywords. Do this easy thing and watch how your results improve. Find your competitors that have more views than you can include their keywords into your videos as well. I'll see you in the next video.